All right, so on problem number 1, we have point A here and point B. And our first question is how far is point A from point B?
Over. Are you looking for like a?
I need the distance between these 2 points. Or right.
3 down.
And 3 down. That doesn't tell me how far this one is from this one.
Oh,
Now
guys,
you
now
can
you
use
can use the
the
triangle.
Pythagorean theorem.
Now I can use the Pythagorean theorem.
Oh my god.
I'm over that.
Okay, so how big is this side?
3.
3. And how big is this side?
4.
So how do I set out my Pythagorean theorem to figure out how long it is? I have 4 squared plus 3 squared equals x squared. So 16 plus 9 equals x squared. 25 equals x squared. And if I take the square root of both sides, x equals 5. All right. Second question says, what transformations will take point A to point B?
Over.
Our transformations that we had were reflection, rotation, or translation. Yeah. So in order to get A to go to B, it's just slid, and so that is a translation. Okay. Problem number 2. Transforming with coordinates. So what they want us to do first is they want us to predict where each transformation will land, and then we're actually going to do it. So number 3 says, if I were to take this and rotate it clockwise, using the center 2, 0, and rotating clockwise 90 degrees, and then translating it by the directed line segment from 2, 0 to 3, -4, tell me, which quadrant is it going to end up in? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Which one do you think it's going to end up in?
Clockwise.
Quadrant 1, 2, 3, or 4.
No.
I just need a guess.
3.
3?
Yep.
Think over here.
Yeah.
Somebody said 4.
Clockwise and then translate.
90 degrees on the view. So,
3.
Okay, so let's go ahead. Some people said 3, some people said 4. Here is my center of rotation. And I need to take this line and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. So it's going to put that line right here. Now that I have one line moved, what I like to do is I like to think, okay, if that shape is attached to that line and it rotated itself down here, what does it look like?
You just count the points the same.
It's going to look like that. That's rotated 90 degrees clockwise. And this is just an introduction into what we're going to be doing. I'm not going to be having you rotate that kind of stuff. So if you're getting a little frustrated or thinking this is going to be too hard for you, don't worry. This is just an introduction into what this unit is. Now we're going to translate the image by the directed line segment from 2, 0 to 3, -4. So here's 2, 0, and 3, -4 is here. So what it's saying is take these points and move them all this way. So this point here is going to move here. That means the whole shape will look like that. And then it says label the result are. So whoever guessed that it would end up in